What's up, guys? It's your girl B Natasha Nicole here, and I am back with another video. Today this video is different for sure. Don't look at how I'm looking right now because that's none of your business. But anyway, yeah, so tonight's a little bit different. I'm actually going to prepare like a at-home dinner. It is New Year's Eve, so almost 2021. Thank God for us that made it. Thank you, Lord, because I lost some people this year. Actually lost a lot of people this year, and I'm just super thankful. But Bae and I just decided just to have like an at-home dinner. So of course, me and my extraness, I wanted to take it to the next level. I wanted it to be like legit, like, listen, why am I breathing hard? But anyway, I wanted to be like legit. I wanted like a nice aesthetic to this dinner. I am making lamb chops, potatoes and onions. We're gonna have asparagus. I bought stuff to make chocolate covered strawberries thanks to Jayla Majette that's been always making strawberries. So I went and bought stuff to make the table nice, candlelit dinner. We got wine, we got tequila. We got everything that I hope I didn't forget anything. So if I did, it's just whatever. By this time, I have spent so much money, it's like, we could just went out. But we just want to do something that was safe, at home, cool. But right now, I just got off from work. I'm looking a hot mess. I'm probably not even gonna put on no makeup or do my hair for this dinner, even though I want to be super sexy as hell because I'm literally at home. But yeah, Bae ain't gonna want to get dressed. He ain't gonna want to get dressed, so I ain't gonna get dressed. But anyway, right now, my dilemma is taking down the rest of the Christmas decorations to clear this table off. Am I blurry? Blurry, focus. But anyway, I had to clear this table off, throw this Christmas tablecloth away. I bought little new placemats. I really wanted a white linen tablecloth, but it was like 20 bucks and I'm never gonna use that again because I don't cover this table. I only bought this because it was at the dollar store and it was the holidays. So we're gonna take down Carter's little Christmas stuff over there, but take these old cupcakes out of here because I think I'm gonna put my chocolate covered strawberries in there, so we gotta wash that. But yeah, we're just going to right now decorate this table. After we decorate the table, then I'll probably like try to go ahead and get in the shower and, you know, just be fresh and clean before I start cooking. So if y'all want to continue to watch how this goes down, then just keep on watching, boo. So now that we got the table cleared off, we are going to use to kind of decorate. So everything that I'm decorating with, I either got from Walmart or Dollar Tree, especially like the plates and everything, which I still have to wash. So plates, wine glasses, and all that came from Dollar Tree and the coasters. And the only thing I got from Walmart were like the placemats and the napkins. So just in case you want to know that. Few things. I bought all this stuff from Dollar Tree for $1. These cute little bowls and stuff, so they're hella cute. I gotta get this sticker off the bottom of this glass. It's gonna drive me crazy. I have peeled off all my freaking nails at work because I had lost like 2 pinkies and then I was just like over it. So I ended up peeling them all off and honestly cannot do anything So yeah, so I'm about to go wash all these plates and cups and dry them, and then set them on the table and get silverware and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, so we kind of got the table set up. Of course, that's the salad plate and everything, and I'll fix everything, but I just have it on the table because I just wanted to see what it was gonna look like. So this is kind of the setup. I thought about taking one of these away, so it's kind of romantic, so it's not made for four. So maybe we'll move these for right now. So there's like dinner for two or whatever. But now on to the hard part, which is, or it's not hard, getting everything prepped and ready and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take me a little break right quick, and then yeah, then I'm gonna come back and actually start to cook. Lamb chops don't take that long to cook. The potatoes and onions, I actually got to chop that stuff up. So dinner part ain't that bad, but yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so first to start now, I'm just taking my freshly washed potatoes, just cutting those into little slices. I decided to make potatoes and onions on the stove this time. This is a very easy trick. You could also roast these if you wanted to. You just want to take you a yellow onion and a little extra olive oil, and you want to season those potatoes really well. I season mine with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and that's about it. And then you want to just cook those until they're nice and tender. I start off by sauteing my onions first, just kind of like let that flavor release. And this is the easiest way I know how to make potatoes. You could also do that in the oven if you wanted to, but whatever. So now I'm just going to roast a little bit of freshly washed asparagus. I've never roasted it before, but I see everybody else doing it, so I had to try it, and it turned out amazing. So now the feature of this whole dinner is the half rack of lamb. I'm taking this lamb, I bought this from my local grocery store. It was like $51 for the rack. Just cutting that into lollipops, and I'm going to season those with a little salt, pepper, and thyme. No need to over season the lamb chop because they already are a flavorful meat anyway. So yeah. Then I'm just going to lay those on those sides where the fat is, so you can render that fat, which means just kind of cook it down so it kind of makes like an oil itself, where you don't have to put additional oil in your pan to cook them. Bay likes his a little more well done. I like mine a little medium rare. So you just want to kind of like pan sear those really well on both sides, and then you can kind of finish them off in the oven at 350 until they kind of reach the temperature, or the, you know, the cook temperature that you want. So yeah, it's super easy to do. And they were so good. And so the last thing there is to do was dinner without a little cocktail. You know, I love my margaritas. Bay do too. So we're going to have these little cocktails, and yeah, and dinner is done. All right, y'all. So I have basically finished cooking the lamb chops. I have cooked the asparagus. I showered. I got the potatoes. Right now I have crab cakes in the oven because that's going to be our appetizer. So we're going to have crab cakes and like salad. But since that's cooking, I decided to make us cocktails, because what's life without cocktails? Like, so you gotta have a cocktail first while the crab cakes are still cooking, and we are almost done. And I don't know if I showed y'all my strawberries, but hold on, let me show you. So these, are basically my strawberries. They don't look amazing. I tried to do like a tuxedo on one of them, if you can see that, but that didn't really come out right. The chocolate didn't really spread that well, so this is kind of what they look like. So bam, since all that is done right now, we got everything done. I figured that I'll just kind of, when I was cooking the lamb, I just kind of cooked it 3/4 of the way. Bae likes his a little more done than I do, but I cooked them like 3/4 of the way so that I could put them in the oven and warm them back up when it was time for dinner. So yeah, and I got the potatoes in the skillet oven that I'm gonna put potatoes in the skillet, or the cast iron skillet that I'm gonna put in the oven. Look at this one. I think he just happy to eat.
Yeah. Even happier, but it's dry.
Anyway, so now we got our cocktails. Where's my phone? Hold on. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Turn his music off.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to 12:01. It's going down. It's going down. He didn't test positive for COVID. He could leave Clemson and take the Auburn head coaching job. Nobody around here knows that. Breaking news.
All right, so now the most important part is presentation. You do not work in an Italian restaurant and not learn how to present your plates. So anyway, of course, I've already messed up. I totally forgot about my asparagus. I had to move everything, but I just plated a little bit of potatoes, asparagus, line, you know, the lamb chops, make them pretty. And I'm finishing off with a slight balsamic reduction in the crab cake. And there we are. And this was dinner. This was the setup. It turned out so pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it will inspire you to do a little something special for your boo. So I'll see y'all next time. Peace.